Okay, it's time to take a look at this. Are you ready to take a look at this awesome Winnebago EKKO? Let's go inside and check it out. Welcome to the interior of my brand new Winnebago EKKO 23B. This is super exciting and I can't wait to share this with you. So let's take a look at here. As you enter the side door to the passenger side, you'll see a cabinet and a small chair, which is actually quite comfortable. The cabinet has great storage. We're going to move to the front and you're going to see these two opposing storage cubbies with a mesh netting, which is really handy. This does have an entertainment system with a smart TV and a sound bar, which is pretty cool. You can listen to your tunes and have some fun. And more storage, of course, above the driver's seat. It does come with window shades, which you're going to need on this wonderful Mercedes 3500 Sprinter. It drives like a dream. Lots of cup holders, all the things you're going to want, including all the Apple CarPlay and things like that. As you look to the passenger side behind, as you open the door, you're going to notice where you turn the lights, your coach battery, where you can retract your awning, and it's a very simple system. I really like this. I like the buttons instead of having to use a panel, just a lot easier to deal with. Of course, you have your GFC protected outlet right there, as well as one in the front of the kitchen. You have lots of counter space and these shades. I love these shades. They are room darkening as well as screens. So when you pull up or down, you've got lots of options. Now you notice there are 3 drawers and a cabinet underneath. The top drawer contains the induction cooktop, and the other ones I'm just, of course, going to put some other pots and pans and things in. It does have a large, deep circle sink, a microwave convection oven, which is pretty handy. So if you want to bake something as well as, reheat some soup, that's cool too. Now you'll notice in the storage cabinet, they have adjustable shelves and they have this nice soft lining. So things are not going to make a lot of mess. I always would recommend still putting towels and or things in rope baskets. It just helps. Now, right to the side of the kitchen is the area where you put this amazing table. This is so cool. And when you go to the back, you'll notice these 2 twin beds that turn into a queen. Now, very, very large windows on opposing sides that open. Of course, you can have a nice breeze in the evening when you're boondocking, fantastic. And 2 shelves above. Now, each side of the bed has amazing storage. Now, let me go through this just a little bit. 2 drawers, as well as 2 cabinets. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. I love this. Now, underneath the beds has fantastic storage. We're going to show you this. So on the passenger side, it has a deeper wardrobe closet, and on the driver's side, it has a more shallow depth wardrobe closet. Some people have taken these and made them into drawers as well. Just depends on what you like to do with them. So I'm probably going to make drawers out of the driver's side, just so it's a little easier to get to. But here's the best part. You very carefully lift the mattress. I love this. And take a look at all that storage underneath. You have access. Shows you 2 more hidden areas where you can get to. You can get to clean things. And you'll notice, if you're looking carefully, do you see the Froley system? That lovely Froley system is on both sides underneath the mattresses, which allows for a lot of air circulation and keeps the beds a little more comfortable. I think they're pretty awesome. These beds are actually made by Winnebago, and they're not bad. I have to say, they're really quite comfortable. So that Froley system is really a game changer when it comes to sleeping at night and trying to toss and turn, as well as just keeping it cooler in the evenings. So let me open up on the driver's side, and I can do this with one hand. It's really quite amazing. But you'll see the thickness of the mattress. It's about 5 inches. Okay, here I am. I'm going to open this up. Watch me, one-handed. One-handed, I could do this. I love this. Super easy. And once again, we have a drawer, our wardrobe, and a little bit of space. The driver's side is a little more shallow just because there are more mechanicals on that side, but there's still lots of storage so you can put lots of things in. Now, we're going to move down the steps and we're going to talk about the water pump, the lights for the bathroom are on the outside, and the water system, the Truma hot water system and the Truma heating system is right outside the bedroom by the bathroom. So if you haven't had Truma, I highly recommend them. They work like a charm. Now we're going to open up the bathroom. You'll notice it is a wet bath, but this is the coolest wet bath I've ever seen. So, large mirror, nice sink. Of course, we've got that little Winnebago hook, which is always cute. It is a cassette toilet. that can turn and spin so you can have more leg room if you want in the bathroom. Of course, a place to put your toilet paper, and a window, which is always nice to have in the bathroom to get that air circulation, get it all dried out, and a cabinet as well. So here's the cool part. We're going to open up the cabinet. Now, you've got 2 shelves in there. I'm probably going to add more to it when I get everything done. I see my finger is doing a fantastic cameo in this shot here. I'm going to look at this wall. I'm going to move the wall, and now you have your shower area in your bathroom. How amazing is that? Such an innovation, very Euro styling. Great job. Love this. And of course, a curtain that goes around too. All right, we're going to walk out of the bathroom and we'll close this. Plenty of room. For a side bath, it's lots and lots of room. All right, now we're going to talk about more mechanicals. We have our ZAMP solar charge controller, which says what's going on as far as charging our solar panels. This is our temperature control system and also shows our tank levels as well as our generator. And above, of course, is a cabinet with a roof access port. So if you want to install any more solar or you want to put up a Starlink or something like that, you have room for that. This particular unit has a very large fridge and freezer. I love this. So I'm very excited to go shopping and be gone and boondocking for 5 or 6 or 7 days and not have to worry about going back to the grocery store. Behind the driver's seat is also this other chair system that can go forwards or sideways. It can make into a love seat, or you can put the table up and use it as a desk area. I'm probably going to use it as a desk area more than anything. Now, let's talk just a little bit more about these beds, because I know someone's going to ask me. They are made by Winnebago. It is Wind Sleep. You can learn more about them. And if you want to change them out for something else, you can. But I will tell you right now, I thought they were really comfortable. I was quite impressed. I was worried when I took my first night's rest on them, whether I was going to really like them or not. But so far, so good. And I think that Foley system really did make a difference. All right, let's talk outside. As you can tell, I've got some solar panels. It's pretty handy, and a decent air conditioner system, which I will say is a little quiet, which I like. Now I'm officially moving in and unpacking things and putting it inside the EKKO. Yes, the dog had to come too. So Rosie's excited. She's finding her space and what she likes the most. Of course, one of the first things you do when you get an RV is you buy command hooks. And so I had to go to the store and get more command hooks for different things. Places to hook your keys when you're done. I'm sure I'm going to put some pictures up, things to hang dog leashes on, and some wonderful clips. If you've never had these clips, they're really handy. So when you go to a campground, they always give you papers and you need to put it somewhere. I also add some things in the bathroom. The lighting is not always the greatest, so I add a light strip that's adjustable and you can take it off. I added a few more of the command hook items, such as a little area that I could put like a razor or something in the shower, which is really nice. I also got some more containers to put in the bathroom. Now, these are not organized. They're just stuck up there just so I could see how much weight they could hold, as well as another towel bar, because you can never have enough places to hang towels. In the bedroom, of course, I've got the comforters put together, and I understand that they do have insulative window coverings, which I might consider depending on if I take this out in the winter camping. So I could feel a little heat coming from those windows. I was like, ooh, that could be a concern. But I think we're going to hold off and see how that goes. And of course, I put a fan back there as well. Now, let's go back and open this up again. I haven't figured out what I'm going to put up there yet. But of course, my kids gave me the warning, no stupid people beyond this point. So you're warned when you come in. Here I am getting set up for my workstation. So I have my microphones and my cameras and my internet box and things I need, as well as an extra Blue Eddy underneath. So when I'm boondocking, if I need more power, this has quite a bit of lithium power, but I have extra. Can't go anywhere without my disco ball. And you can see I've already started to put up my command hooks for dog leashes, as well as a passenger behind the seat organizer. Now, I also added another towel bar in the kitchen, which is again another command hook thing. I love these, they're fantastic. And I ordered what some people might call a spice rack. I call it a chocolate and spice rack. You can use it for both. One of the main storage areas on the Winnebago EKKO is this huge pass-through in the back. Lots and lots of room. If you had e-bikes, you could put it back there. You can plug them in. It's also heated, so which is really cool. I was looking at all the things that I had that I knew I needed to put somewhere that needs to go in the back, such as my tools and extra bungee cords and my water system and things like that, and my bike. So this is really important for me. I no longer have to put a bike on the outside. I can keep it on the inside and keep it away from the elements, and that is really awesome. Of course, it was time for me to personalize my RV and put my name on it so people would know as I'm driving down the road who I am and what I'm doing. So I did that and got ready for my first night of boondocking. And of course, what is the one place most people go? I went to a Cracker Barrel and tried it out. And of course, Rosie really, really liked it. We had a great time and everything worked on our shakedown trip. If you love adventure videos and RV travel videos, do me a favor, like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.